my name is Lea and I'm working at the final car assembly at the BMW plant in Leipzig. I have my own project in collaboration with my university where I optimize the line balancing, the logistics and the ergonomics in one area of our assembly. It contains, for example, process observations, the documentation of potential causes of errors and theoretical researches. It's a good practice to apply your own theoretical knowledge from university into the real world. Also, I got a deep insight into the manufacturing of a car, which is very interesting. I basically learn something new every day. My expectations definitely have been met with the numerous possibilities here. I had the chance to visit and get to know almost every technology on the plant. For example, the paint shop, the pressing plant or the CFRP production here in Leipzig. I was always fascinated by cars and how they are built and the technology behind it. And with BMW as my favorite brand in this industry, it was my first choice to work here. For an internship here in the production, you should definitely bring resilience, flexibility and an open mind. You should be able to work in a team and you should have enthusiasm for cars and the brand BMW.